napakainam po na iunahin natin yung takot natin sa Diyos bago yung takot sa batas ng tao.
Mahirap siyang durugin eh. Alam mo kung bakit? Ang galing niyang magbalat kayo. Sobra siyang delikadong tao. Kapag hindi ka marunong sa social media, kaya kanyang paikot-ikutin, durugin.
Katulad ng nangyari sa akin. Sa akin
ganun yung style niya eh.
Social media. Buhay ko na yung napaikot niya.
Yeah. Again, I am mentally strong. She is not. What if she takes her life? She can't handle the bashing. I know her. She is a dear, sweet woman. A woman I can trust with my kid. A woman I can trust with my wife if they go on a girl trip. I know they're not going to do anything crazy. I have a very small circle of friends. She's included in that. And for me, again, hindi kita kaaway, Andy. Hindi kita kaaway, Filmar. Ang inaano ko lang is, mali yung ginawa nyo. If may problema ka within your family, handle it private. Because you are going to look stupid at the end of the day when you put this all out and then the week after you'll post a picture that you're in paradise with your mahal. I mean no disrespect to Andy. I'm just really, really hurt for my friend. And I will stand by. If my friend is wrong, my friend is wrong. And I told her mali nga yung sa tattoo. Mali yun. Bilang isang lalaki, dapat ikaw hindi mo inisip yung asawa mo, kahit sabihin mong best friend nga kayo, diba, the intent is, pero yung respeto mo sa asawa mo, nasan yun? Tapos out the door, bakit? Kasi nag-aaway kayo? Kapag nag-aaway kayo, wala ka ng respeto sa asawa mo. But honestly, my advice to Pern is, cut your friendship with Andy, cut your friendship with Filmar. Respect na lang, it's over, but you cut your friendship.
None.
Kung ayaw mo, kung toxic na, tapusin mo na. I mean, Andy's from the industry, so she knows how to handle it. Diba? You're getting threats, you feel like your life is not safe, you can't function. Naiintindihan ko yun kasi mabibigat ang mga binibitawang salita ng mga tao eh. Sabihin ahas, bakit hindi na naging sila? Matagal na. I'm always around when they're together. But that's not how it all started, right? The script was written in a way that it made the people think that they got matching tattoos because may nangyayari na sa kanila. So, ayun, lumalabas ulit yung video ni Filmar with some influencer girl, right? Be adults. Be mature adults. Settle it privately.
Derek, kumusta na si Pern ngayon? Itong mga oras na ito.
I just got off she's always in tears. I'm calling her every day. We're calling her every day. Because every day we turn on our own social media, there's something new. There's something nasty being said. I'm trying to make her think like me, who cares? We know naman the truth. But you have to understand that everybody's the same. And she's not in the industry. She's not an actress, an actor. She's not an influencer. She's just a simple human being. And she is a great human being. I have 100% trust in this person. She's a wonderful human being. And the truth has to come. The truth needs to be said. And all these lies and hurtful things have to stop. The damage already has been done. But, it's there. It's never going to be erased. It's on the incidents in the internet. It's never going to be erased. But at least, as my duty as a friend, I have done, and I have put the truth out there for people to see.
And your message to yung mga bashers ni, o yung hindi nakakakilala kay Pern na binasya, ginatch.
To the bashers, I have nothing to say to you guys. But for those who are quick to assume, quick to judge, and we're all guilty of that, I hope this brings light. Because you can really, really destroy someone with just one little action. Acting on your emotion, putting something on social media can really destroy somebody.